Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? My dear students, this is the very important lecture as per my point of view. The page setup is the key area of any Excel sheet. When you have the multiple pages, two or more than two or five pages, 10, 15, 20 or 30. Because in Word, MS Word, you have already built-in pages. There is no need to decide the where you should move about the pages. You can move to right side, the pages will display, or left side. All the pages are showing in the vertically in MS Word. But in Excel, there is a big spreadsheet and you want to break the pages, then it's very difficult for the beginners. Uh, as per my point of view, it's difficult because when we were doing job, I faced this problem, but with the little experience, a little knowledge, and a little practice, my seniors were there. They teach me about how to handle the page setup. Let's start. Here are the some built-in result sheet or account. Here is our salary sheet. In this given data, we want to manage our page setup commands and to apply our page setup commands and to do practice here. Dear guys, first of all, for getting print and making breakup of the page, you should to get the preview of the print. Just go to file and click on the print. It will show you the print preview in this shape. Now it's in vertical shape, mean it is also known as the portrait. Okay, it's in the portrait, and these are the properties that it's giving here. In portrait, you are watching that you are up to net salary column is displaying here, but the 1 or 2 or 3 columns are not showing in this, okay. Escape. First of all, you should go in the margin. You are watching the head dotted line showing here, mean your one column is not in the range. Margin, custom margin. Here are the built-in margin areas that you can choose anywhere from here. Go to margin. Here is the left side, here is the right side. Okay, now your dotted line in outside of the edge. Again check file, print. You are watching your total columns or fit in the vertical page. But I think we should move towards landscape. Vertical is also looking good. But in Excel, when we have the pages, but we have the sheets in a maximum rows and maximum columns. Horizontally, when the pages are so many there, we should move in portrait, not in the we should move in the landscape, not in the portrait. So here is the orientation. Just click on the landscape. Now you have a big margin on the right side. Just select the columns. Format home, format cells, format column width. You can increase column width from here. Format column width 12, format column width 10, I think. Format column width 11 is, I think, is suitable. Again press file, page setup, print. Note it's in landscape. Page is in landscape, means your left to right area is greater than the top and bottom. You can also increase the margin from the right and the left side. Page layout, margin, custom margin, increase from left side. Again check file, print. Now you are watching that from left side you have a little margin, from right side also have. This is, I think, is the perfect area. These are the portrait or landscape. Just zoom out. These dotted lines are showing when you will get the print preview. It's a landscape view and it's a portrait view. In portrait view, your vertical height will increase. Here are the page sizes. You can also increase sizes here. If you increase the legal size, in legal size your portrait, it's you have the much space there. I think the popular size is, as per your general requirement, is letter and over A4 sizes. But legal size we will choose in that case when we have maximum data and want to fit in single page. This is our legal page on the landscape orientation landscape. Okay, again move to letter size, fit on that, just zoom out. On the fourth command we have the print layout, print area, sorry. If you want to get the print of this area only, that is selected, you want to get the print of this area only. So what should we do? Just click on the print area and set print area. Now you will watch a box in the area that we have selected. Just get the print preview, file, print. It's showing you the area that was selected there. It's print preview. If you want the large size, you want to increase the print size, you should move in the scale. When you increase the scale size is 100, you increase the 200. Okay, check here, file, print. You will watch that size of the print will increase proportionately, 100% increase. The size first was 100% and it's 200%. That we already done here. Again move it 100. Again check, file, print, and this is your 100% area. Okay dear. Now I want to come back on the normal position, go to print area and create a print area. Now again you have the total page area that you have checked. The next we have the break. Break means you want to break the page from here. I want to break. For the break I suggest that your cell pointer should be at the beginning of the first column, meaning first A1 column. Just click here, insert page break. Now you have two pages in given sheet, page 1 and page 2. Just check, file, print, it's page 1 and this is page 2. Meaning you have divided the existing work on two pages. Again move to here, breaks, and remove page break. Just click here, remove page break. Okay. Next we have the background. You want to display the picture on the background. Go to pictures. There are many pictures. Select. It will show on whole sheet. The picture will repeat. But this picture is non-printable. Just check file, print. It's non-printable. Escape, press escape button. Again go to delete background. Just to create the present effect in your working environment. Dear guys, the last we have print titles. Print titles mean, for example, here is a example sheet that I already have created. This is basically a sheet. You are watching here, it's a salary sheet. This is the heading in yellow color. Vertically, when you will move in vertically, you are watching that so many data is there. Okay. In this case, when you want to get the print, just click here, file, print. You are watching that your data is not showing fully. On the other hand, when you click on the next page, your headings is not showing there. Okay. First of all, I suggest we should to check the left side area, either it is fit in the margin or not. Just click on the file. The last column is the designation, file, print. Is income tax, not showing there. This is our margin area. This is our page area. What should we do? We should, I think, increase. We should check the margin, custom margin. Before applying the margin, you are watching this dotted line before 3 lines. Mean 3 lines are out of the margin. Just decrease the size from the left side and decrease the size from the right side. Press OK. Now your dotted line on 4 last 2 columns. What should we do now? In this case, pages are vertically, we cannot move from portrait to landscape, it should be in the portrait. So what should we do next? I think in next we should to decrease the scale size. Just decrease scale size 100 to 95%. Now it's on this side. Again click on the 90 and your dotted line is still there. When you click on the 85%, now your dotted line at the end of the designation. Now your pages horizontally are totally perfect. Again check on the file, print. This is your sheet that is horizontally fit in the page. Okay, now you have 3 pages. Before this there were 6 pages because other 3 were going to move, or the 3 columns were going to move on 4, 5 and 6 pages. Just click here, it's page number 1, headings is showing, yellow heading is showing there. When you will click on the second page, you are watching there's nothing is there. You cannot judge what is the name of the column. When you are at the last page, you have no idea what is the column name. In this way it's very difficult to read the document. So what should we do now? The best practice is here, we should to get the assistance of this command, print titles. Print titles. Just click on the print titles. Print title what will do to repeat the heading at the top of every page. Okay, to repeat on each page. Just click on the print titles. A dialog box will show here. In this dialog box you have a field rows to repeat at top. Rows to repeat at top. This is area there the range of the yellow bar will show. Just click in this icon. This dialog box will collapse. Okay, now you have the arrow. Just click on the beginning, on the start of this row, this yellow row. It's row number 7. Just click here. Total row will blink, mean it is in the range. Again click on the arrow of the dialog box, it will expand. You have a few range there. Just click OK. Click OK. Just press on the save. It's my suggestion that while working in the system, after a few minutes you should to press Ctrl S to save the document, to save your file, because so many chances to corrupt the file, or maybe your system will turn off, or if you are working on the desktop, your light may off. Okay, just click file, print. It's your first page. Yellow bar is on the top. Again click on the second page. There is also heading on the top row. Third page, heading on the third row. Mean all the pages are going to repeat. All the pages getting yellow heading. Even if you will view on the actual sheet, there is no heading. Here is only dotted line after the first page, and after the second page here is also dotted line. Means you have no need to repeat on the regular page, just to enter the range in the print titles area. Okay, I hope my dear students you got very important lecture today. As per my point of view, this was a difficult lecture in my life, as per Excel breakup of the pages. I learned it with a little effort. I have given you this lecture just to feel the need of the person who is working on the Excel sheet really, because somebody has the knowledge about working the commands and the topics of the functions of the Excel, but page breakup is the most important. Professionals very well understand about this. Inshallah, my dear student, in next lecture we will discuss about the scale to fit and the width and height. On the other hand, the sheet options, etc. Mean the commands, the requirements that is left in the page print, and for getting print, what we have to face problems, how many pages we should get, what should the page size. In next lecture we will discuss. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.